And I'm Miguel Martinez-Valle here in the Live Center. 22-year-old Tyler Robinson now appearing in court in connection with the Charlie Kirk shooting. Let's take a listen into what the judge and Tyler Robinson are saying now.
Applies. The sentencing judge or the Board of Pardons and Parole shall consider the defendant's selection of the victim as an aggravating factor. Violent offense committed in the presence of a child aggravating factor. The sentencing judge or the Board of Pardons and Parole shall consider as an aggravating factor in their deliberations that the defendant committed a violent criminal offense in the presence of a child. Count 2, felony discharge of a firearm causing serious bodily injury, a first-degree felony in violation of Utah Code Annotated 76-11-210 sub 2 and 3C, in that on September 10th, 2025 in Utah County, the defendant, Tyler James Robinson, discharged a firearm in the direction of Charlie Kirk, knowing or having reason to believe that Charlie Kirk may be endangered by the discharge of the firearm and that the act caused serious bodily injury to Charlie Kirk. Victim targeting enhancement in violation of Utah Code Annotated 76-3-203.14 sub 2. Tyler James Robinson intentionally selected Charlie Kirk because Tyler James Robinson's belief or perception regarding Charlie Kirk's political expression. Notice if the trier of fact finds beyond a reasonable doubt that the victim targeting enhancement applies, the sentencing judge or the Board of Pardons and Parole shall consider the defendant's selection of the victim as an aggravating factor. Violent offense committed in the presence of a child aggravating factor. The sentencing judge or the Board of Pardons and Parole shall consider an aggravating factor in their deliberations that the defendant committed a violent offense in the presence of a child. Count 3, obstruction of justice, a second-degree felony in violation of Utah Code Annotated 76-8-306.
The judge here reading various charges against Robinson in connection with the Charlie Kirk shooting, including for weapons charges for endangering the life of Kirk, and of course doing so in front of students, in front of a child, is what the judge was saying that the sentencing judge will have to take this into account, as well as the panel there. Of course, this is the first time that we're seeing Robinson since he was arrested and since the shooting happened on September 10th. So he's appearing via Zoom here in court, the first time that he's appearing in court since the arrest. Of course, we're going to bring you a full breakdown of everything that was said here and what Robinson had to say, if anything, right here in the Live Center. For now, Fred, I'll send it back to you.
Okay, Miguel, thank you.